everybody, this is Crystal. Now I'm in the farmland. I never drove a tractor before and it was my first time to drive this tractor. And later I will share my experience of the driving feelings. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. Always have a skylight and also have the air conditioner. Oh, it's from the cold and also have the warm air conditioner. Okay, that's the end of my test driving, and I will share some of my experience to you. The first one is this driving cab is very comfortable, that it have the air conditioner with cold and warm air, so that it can work in extremely cold and warm area. And secondly, the gear shift is synchronizer is more smoother, such like me, a girl can also easily do it. So it is suitable for all kinds of people. Okay, that's all my sharing. See you later.